Hey there, fellow travelers. Welcome to my channel, where we explore the beauty of the world without breaking the bank. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting topics for adventure seekers, USA on a budget, how to travel cheaply across America. Whether you're a solo traveler, a family on a tight budget, or just someone who loves a good deal, this video is for you. The USA is a vast and diverse country, filled with stunning landscapes, vibrant cities, and hidden gems. But traveling here doesn't have to cost a fortune. In this video, I'll share my top tips, tricks, and resources to help you explore America on a budget. So, grab a notebook, sit back, and let's get started. Plan ahead and be flexible. The key to budget travel is planning. Start by deciding your destinations and the best time to visit. Traveling during the off-season, like late fall or early spring, can save you a ton on flights, accommodations, and even attractions. Use tools like Google Flights, Skyscanner, or Hopper to find the cheapest airfare. If you're flexible with your dates, you can save even more. Pro tip: consider traveling on weekdays instead of weekends, as flights and hotels are often cheaper. Affordable accommodation options, forget expensive hotels. There are plenty of budget-friendly options in the USA. Hostels. Many cities have hostels that offer dorm-style rooms for as low as $20, per night. Airbnb. Look for private rooms or shared spaces instead of entire homes. Camping. The USA has thousands of national parks and campgrounds where you can pitch a tent for a small fee. Couchsurfing. Connect with locals who offer free stays in their homes. It's a great way to save money and meet new people. Travel by bus or train flying can be expensive, especially for short distances. Instead, consider traveling by bus or train. Companies like Greyhound and Megabus offer affordable intercity bus tickets, while Amtrak provides scenic train routes across the country. If you're traveling long distances, look for discounted passes or deals. Eat like a local dining out in the USA can add up quickly, but there are ways to save. Cook your own meals. If you're staying in a hostel or Airbnb with a kitchen, buy groceries and cook your meals. Food trucks. Many cities have amazing food trucks that offer delicious meals at a fraction of the cost of restaurants. Happy hours. Look for bars and restaurants that offer discounted drinks and appetizers during happy hour. Free and cheap attractions. The USA is packed with free or low-cost attractions. National parks. With an annual pass, $80. You can visit over 2,000 federal recreation sites, including iconic parks like Yellowstone and the Grand Canyon. Museums. Many museums offer free admission days or pay-what-you-wish hours. City passes. If you're visiting a major city, consider buying a city pass that gives you discounted entry to multiple attractions. Use public transportation. Renting a car can be expensive, especially with gas and parking fees. Instead, use public transportation like buses, subways, and trams. Many cities offer day passes or weekly passes that are much cheaper than paying for individual rides. Travel light. Packing light not only saves you money on baggage fees, but also makes it easier to move around. Stick to the essentials and avoid overpacking. If you're flying, consider airlines that offer free carry-on bags, like Southwest. Take advantage of discounts always. Ask for discounts. Students, seniors, and military personnel often get discounted rates at attractions, transportation, and accommodations. Don't be shy about showing your ID or membership cards to save some cash. Explore off-the-beaten-path destinations. While cities like New York and Los Angeles are popular, they can also be expensive. Consider visiting smaller towns or lesser-known destinations. Places like Asheville, North Carolina, or Sedona, Arizona, offer unique experiences without the high price tag. New York City, New York. We start our journey in the city that never sleeps, New York City. The drone flies over iconic landmarks like the Statue of Liberty, where the American flag waves proudly against the backdrop of the Manhattan skyline. We also capture the flag flying high above Times Square, Central Park, and the Empire State Building. The vibrant energy of NYC, combined with the sight of the flag, is a powerful reminder of the city's role in American history and culture. Washington, D.C. Next, we head to the nation's capital, Washington, D.C. The drone captures the American flag flying over the White House, the U.S. Capitol, and the Washington Monument. The city's grand architecture and historic landmarks, paired with the flag, create a sense of pride and patriotism. From above, you can see how D.C. embodies the heart of American democracy. Chicago, Illinois. The Windy City is our next stop. The drone soars above Millennium Park, where the flag flies near the iconic Cloud Gate sculpture, aka the Bean. We also capture the flag waving proudly at Navy Pier and against the backdrop of the Willis Tower skyline. Chicago's mix of modern architecture and lakeside beauty, combined with the flag, makes for a stunning visual. Los Angeles, California, from the East Coast, we head to the West Coast to explore Los Angeles. The drone flies over City Hall where the American flag stands tall and captures the flag waving at the Griffith Observatory with the Hollywood sign in the distance. The sprawling cityscape, palm trees, and iconic landmarks paired with the flag showcase the diversity and vibrancy of LA. Boston, Massachusetts. Boston is a city steeped in American history, and the flag is a constant presence. The drone captures the flag flying over the Bunker Hill Monument, the USS Constitution, and the Boston Common. From above, you can see how the city's historic charm blends with its modern skyline, all under the watchful eye of the American flag. San Francisco, California. The drone takes us to San Francisco, where the flag flies proudly at Fort Point, with the Golden Gate Bridge in the background. We also capture the flag waving at Fisherman's Wharf and Alcatraz Island. The city's iconic landmarks, combined with the flag, create a sense of adventure and freedom. Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Philadelphia is the birthplace of American independence, and the flag is a central symbol here. The drone captures the flag, flying at Independence Hall and the Liberty Bell. From above, you can see how the city's historic streets and modern skyline coexist, all under the banner of the American flag. Seattle, Washington, in the Pacific Northwest. The drone flies over
Seattle, capturing the flag waving at the Space Needle and Pike Place Market.
The city's mix of urban and natural beauty, paired with the flag, creates a unique and inspiring view. Miami, Florida, we head to the sunny shores of Miami, where the flag flies proudly at Bayfront Park and South Beach. The drone captures the city's vibrant energy, turquoise waters, and Art Deco architecture, all alongside the stars and stripes. Las Vegas, Nevada, we end our tour in Las Vegas, where the flag flies high at the Welcome to Fabulous Las Vegas sign and the Fremont Street experience. The city's bright lights and iconic landmarks combined with the flag create a sense of excitement and celebration. Stay connected for free. Avoid expensive roaming charges by using free Wi-Fi at cafes, libraries, and hotels. You can also download offline maps and guides to navigate without needing data. The Grand Canyon, Arizona. We start our journey with one of the most awe-inspiring natural wonders in the world, the Grand Canyon. From above, the canyon's vastness and intricate layers of red rock are even more mesmerizing. Watch as the Colorado River winds through the canyon, carving its way through millions of years of geological history. The drone captures the sheer scale of this iconic landmark, making you feel like you're floating above one of nature's greatest masterpieces. New York City, New York. Next, we head to the city that never sleeps, New York City. From the sky, the towering skyscrapers of Manhattan look like a futuristic jungle. The drone glides over Central Park, a lush green oasis, in the middle of the concrete jungle, and soars past iconic landmarks like the Statue of Liberty, Times Square, and the Brooklyn Bridge. The hustle and bustle of the city fade away, replaced by a serene and cinematic view of one of the world's most famous cities. Yellowstone National Park, Wyoming. Yellowstone is a land of geothermal wonders, and from above, it's even more magical. The drone captures the vibrant colors of the Grand Prismatic Spring, the largest hot spring in the USA. We also fly over the park's dramatic waterfalls, dense forests, and roaming wildlife, including bison and elk. Yellowstone's diverse landscapes are a testament to the raw beauty of nature. Golden Gate Bridge, San Francisco, California. No drone tour of the USA would be complete without a visit to the Golden Gate Bridge. The drone sweeps over the iconic red-orange bridge with the sparkling waters of San Francisco Bay below and the city's skyline in the distance. The fog rolling in adds a touch of mystery, making this one of the most cinematic shots in the video. Monument Valley, Arizona, Utah. Monument Valley is the epitome of the American West. The drone captures the towering sandstone buttes rising dramatically from the desert floor. The play of light and shadow across the landscape creates a surreal and almost otherworldly atmosphere. It's easy to see why this location has been featured in so many classic Western films. Miami Beach, Florida. From the deserts of the West, we head to the sunny shores of Miami Beach. The drone glides over the turquoise waters of the Atlantic Ocean, the white sandy beaches, and the iconic Art Deco buildings of South Beach. The vibrant energy of Miami is palpable, even from above. Great Smoky Mountains, Tennessee, North Carolina. The Great Smoky Mountains are a paradise for nature lovers. The drone captures the rolling blue-hazed mountains, dense forests, and cascading waterfalls. In the fall, the landscape transforms into a sea of red, orange, and yellow as the leaves change color. It's a peaceful and serene view that showcases the beauty of the Appalachian region. Las Vegas Strip, Nevada. The Las Vegas Strip is a dazzling spectacle, especially from above. The drone flies over the bright neon lights, iconic hotels, and bustling streets. From the Bellagio fountains to the replica Eiffel Tower, the Strip is a feast for the eyes. The contrast between the vibrant city lights and the surrounding desert is striking. Glacier National Park, Montana. Glacier National Park is a hidden gem in the USA. The drone captures the park's pristine lakes, rugged mountains, and ancient glaciers. The famous Going to the Sun Road winds through the park, offering stunning views at every turn. From above, the park's untouched beauty is truly breathtaking. Hawaii's Napali Coast. Kauai. We end our journey with the Napali Coast in Hawaii. The drone soars over the dramatic emerald green cliffs, turquoise waters, and hidden beaches. The rugged coastline is a reminder of the raw power and beauty of nature. It's the perfect way to wrap up our aerial tour of the USA. Statue of Liberty and Ellis Island. We start our journey with one of the most iconic symbols of freedom in the world, the Statue of Liberty. The drone glides over the waters of New York Harbor, capturing Lady Liberty in all her glory. From above, you can see the intricate details of her crown and torch, as well as the stunning views of the Manhattan skyline in the background. Nearby, Ellis Island stands as a reminder of the millions of immigrants who passed through its doors in search of a better life. Manhattan skyline next. We head to the heart of NYC, Manhattan. The drone soars above the towering skyscrapers, capturing the sheer scale and density of the city. From the Empire State Building to the sleek One World Trade Center, the Manhattan skyline is a testament to human ingenuity and ambition. The drone also captures the contrast between the historic buildings of Lower Manhattan and the modern architecture of Midtown. Central Park. In the middle of the concrete jungle lies a green oasis, Central Park. From above, the park's lush trees, winding paths, and serene lakes are a stark contrast to the surrounding skyscrapers. The drone flies over iconic spots like Bethesda Terrace, Bow Bridge, and the Great Lawn, showcasing the park's beauty and tranquility. It's easy to see why Central Park is a favorite escape for New Yorkers and visitors alike. Times Square. No visit to NYC is complete without a stop at Times Square. From above, the bright neon lights and massive billboards create a dazzling spectacle. The drone captures the energy and excitement of this iconic intersection, where Broadway shows, shopping, and entertainment come together. It's a reminder of why Times Square is called the crossroads of the world. Brooklyn Bridge and East River. The Brooklyn Bridge is one of the most iconic landmarks in NYC, and it's even more stunning from above. The drone flies over the bridge's Gothic arches and intricate cable patterns, with the East River flowing below. The views of Lower Manhattan and the Brooklyn waterfront are breathtaking, especially during sunrise or sunset. The High Line, the Fox Eye. High Line is a unique urban park built on a historic freight rail line. From above, the drone captures the park's winding paths, lush greenery, and modern art installations. The High Line offers a unique perspective of the city, with views of the Hudson River, Chelsea's art galleries, and the meatpacking district. Coney Island. We head to Brooklyn to explore Coney Island, a classic seaside destination. The drone flies over the iconic boardwalk, the historic Cyclone roller coaster, and the sandy beaches. From above, you can see the vibrant energy of this beloved neighborhood, where New Yorkers come to relax and have fun. The Vessel and Hudson Yards. The Vessel, a modern architectural marvel in Hudson Yards, is a sight to behold from above. The drone captures its intricate honeycomb-like structure and the surrounding skyscrapers. Hudson Yards is a symbol of NYC's constant evolution, blending cutting-edge design with urban living. Governor's Island, just a short ferry ride from Manhattan, lies Governor's Island, a hidden gem with stunning views of the city skyline. The drone flies over the island's historic buildings, green spaces, and art installations. It's a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle of the city. The Vessel and Hudson Yards. The Vessel, a modern architectural marvel in Hudson Yards, is a sight to behold from above. The drone captures its intricate honeycomb-like structure and the surrounding skyscrapers. Hudson Yards is a symbol of NYC's constant evolution, blending cutting-edge design with urban living. Governor's Island, just a short ferry ride from Manhattan, lies Governor's Island, a hidden gem with stunning views of the city skyline. The drone flies over the island's historic buildings, green spaces, and art installations. It's a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle of the city. The Bronx and Yankee Stadium. We end our tour in the Bronx, home to the iconic Yankee
Stadium. The drone captures the stadium's grandeur and the surrounding neighborhood, showcasing the diversity and culture of this vibrant borough. From above, you can see why the Bronx is known as the birthplace of hip-hop and a hub of creativity. The
USA is a country of incredible diversity, and seeing it from above gives us a whole new perspective. From natural wonders to iconic cities, these drone views showcase the beauty and grandeur of America. I hope this video inspires you to explore these amazing places for yourself. If you enjoyed this aerial journey, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an adventure. Let me know in the comments which location was your favorite and where you'd like to see the drone fly next. Traveling across the USA on a budget is not only possible, but also incredibly rewarding. With a little planning and creativity, you can experience the best of what America has to offer without spending a fortune. From stunning national parks to vibrant cities, there's something for everyone. So, what are you waiting for? Start planning your budget-friendly adventure today.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a travel tip. And if you have any budget travel hacks of your own, share them in the comments below.
Let's help each other explore the world on a budget. Happy travels!